Dipper completed his training with the man and enduring the pain hole. Actually, quite the capable combatant the Shadows has. Randy the Nightblade Ninja is exceptionally adept at all different types of weaponry. Unscathed. Randy Cunningham is able to launch colossal shockwaves of pressurized like Kid and Jake as either. However, if you've been following these videos up until this, too impressive. They all sit around similar hour and they can definitely, but it takes only one to take them out. And you would be right in assuming that if it wasn't for the last 3 videos that I've got.
Smells amazing.
It's not that burnt, it's flavor.
I know. The seasoning just that burnt at the bottom somewhat.
Yeah. The
Water.
watering from the vegetables will cause it to
Come up.
and then I scrape it. What'd you say? Then I'm gonna add back in my chicken. Water. So this is my third time. You just rinse it until it runs clean. Ooh, hot. So I had to do it 4 times, and I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it up and put it on the rice cooker after this. I'm gonna do the finger test. So if it comes to it first, right here, then it's enough. Okay. White rice, and we're gonna let it go. Time for the taste test. Y'all, just a little bit of gravy and a little piece of the chicken. See if it tastes good or see if I need to re-season it some more. Ooh, a little spicy. It's good, y'all. Then I'm just gonna make some okra and tomatoes. I guess okra stew. Make sure y'all always wash. Make sure that y'all always wash the top of your cans, y'all, because rats and stuff be peeing on it. I'm just gonna chop these up. Probably gonna be the only one to eat this, but I like okra. Okay, it's all chopped up. I'm just gonna add a little bit of water because the okra already got water in it once it starts to cook.